Welcome and welcome back to Treasure Timbers. Driftwood. Who doesn't love a twisted and worn piece of driftwood? It's a phenomenon that spans continents. It's an international language everyone understands. It's primal. But the most important thing about driftwood is it makes us smile. Why? I don't really know, but it does. Driftwood comes in many shapes and sizes. If the sea brought it, then it's driftwood. This bus was thrown up at Cuttings Beach earlier this year and has become the sea's plaything. It moves. I love watching it. Stop action motion over months. Which brings us to today. No, I haven't figured out how to bring this piece back home. At least not yet. No, today I'm going to focus on the opposite end of the spectrum. The very, very small. Not tiny, just small. What I'm going to do in this video is turn as many small pieces of driftwood as possible into rustic pencils. Like this one. Pretty cool, eh? You can make money with this idea, so watch what I do. But bear this one important thing in mind. You don't have to use driftwood. So how about that? A bit of a learning curve. My dad made rustic pencils for my mom to sell in a gift shop. This is years ago. So I don't think I did too badly, considering it was my first proper go. Each one is unique and each one tells a story. The pencil leads I used were 3.2 millimeters, which is quite thick, leftovers from the days when my dad was making all sorts of things. My mom rediscovered them a while back and gave them to me, and now I've added another skill to the master of none skill set. On the technical side, I used the 3.5 millimeter drill bit and it came together nicely, but I wonder if the results would be better with a 3.2 millimeter bit. To sharpen the pencils, I guess you can use a craft knife or NT cutter, or even a belt sander. Happy driftwood foraging. See you soon.